at Camp Nou, construction is surging ahead across the stadium. From the south goal to the north, with every corner staircase and VIP area showing remarkable progress. Glass panels are rising, lamellae are taking shape, and the compression ring is coming together piece by piece. By the end of February, the north goal could open, boosting capacity to 62,000, a major milestone toward the full 105,000 seats. Step by step, the stadium is transforming before our eyes, and today we're taking you inside to see all the latest updates in action. As we reach the south goal, lift platforms and cranes are actively in use. Workers are placing components in the elevator area, which still requires several pieces. The beams, previously white, have now been painted black. In the corner, the lamella supports are ready, but the vertical joints for the lamellae haven't been installed yet. Sandwich panels are also being installed on the stair sections. The lower areas are receiving concrete panels, while the upper sections use lighter material. All these elements are gradually completing the compression ring and lamella structures. The corner area is taking shape with new lamellae installed. While the squad areas show fewer changes, the corner now looks much more advanced. Cranes and workers are busy lifting and positioning lamellae in today's clear weather. 8 lamellae are already in place here, plus one complete piece at the top. More lamellae remain stacked and ready, and work continues steadily. The progress is impressive and gives a clear glimpse of what's coming next. We're seeing what appear to be counterweights in the compression nest area. This is a huge piece, and from this angle we can appreciate its size. The area is full of materials, including beams and other elements, ready to be placed across the structure. Currently, the lift platform is active, but the sandwich panels haven't arrived yet. Slats for the compression ring are stacked everywhere, ready for installation. The upper sections of the structure have lift platforms working, but otherwise, there are no major changes. At this corner, we see activity with a lift platform. The wall has been fully painted black, though the left side still needs painting. Workers will soon start placing the missing supports for the slats. The upper section is now filled with glass panels. Below, work continues on the massive tie rod that has been here for some time. 2 lift platforms are active in the corner area, placing joints for the slat supports. One worker is welding pieces onto the black beams. Several supports are now ready for the vertical slats, and more chrome tubes are stacked nearby, likely for air conditioning or ventilation. The corner area is bustling with activity, with tubes, slat supports, and ventilation pieces being installed simultaneously. In front of the cafeteria diamond, glass installation is progressing. Most panels are in place, with only a few missing in the corner and at the back. The wall at the far end still needs reinforcement and concreting. Up in the stands, some platforms are moving and workers are installing glass supports. The right side of the stairs remains without sandwich panels for now. Work here is calm but steady. Outside at the shop diamond, 3 glass panels above the doors are still missing, with all others stacked nearby. Many workers are active in this area. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps us keep bringing you more videos.